The next thing that we want to do now is actually change this navigation section of our website, and let's get down to it. So if we go back to the control panel for the theme settings, what we do is we want to look for a section that say top navigation style settings if you're using the same theme. And if you're very good with CSS, if you go to the editor, it might take a little while to look for it, but you're probably going to look for something called nav or navigation. Let's scroll down, scroll down. We might find this is the settings for the heading. The heading is there. Then you might want to scroll down a little bit more. We get the links, the images. Do we have anything for caption, miscellaneous? Let's see if we can find it. Sometimes it might take a little while to find. So author bio, comment. Well, rather than waste time looking for something that we don't need right now, okay, yeah, this is it. This is the top navigation, and this is where you can modify some of the. You can modify the background of it. You can modify the. If you know your CSS, you can change a lot of values here to suit what you need. So let's go back to the simpler way of doing things. So top navigation style settings is asking for which font family we want to use. I like Georgia, so let's use Georgia. Font size, let's make it 11 point, and font weight, I'm just gonna leave it as normal. The background color, I'm just going to paste the same code I used earlier on, because I want the background color to be the same as the body color, so you can kind of match each other. And top navigation link color, so this would be the link color, like this. The link color right now is black, as you can see, so let's change that. So if we're using this blue, I suggest we use the white color. So if you use white, but not entirely white, you know, a little bit grayish, I always like that kind of little grayish color, so that is fine. Then top navigation link over color, what that means is, for example, when you put your mouse over this link, you want the word there to change color, like the sample page will change color, the font will change color. That's what it means, the over color. So the link over color, so let's change that. What color should we use? What color matches with blue? I think a bit of orange matches with blue. Well, I told you I'm not really graphically, blessed, so I think orange usually matches with blue. So let's try that and see. Let's save changes and actually take a look on the website and see if we get any good. And actually that is nice. That's the, as you can see, when I put my mouse over it, it changes to orange color, and that is beautiful. I actually like it. I think it matches, so I'm gonna leave these settings as it is, and I think it's cool. So this is the way you make changes to your website. If you have if you're using the same theme, just do the same thing, but if you use a different theme, you might have a different setting, but at least now you understand what each of these things means. If you have any problem, if you can leave me a comment, maybe I'll be able to guide you through your theme. But usually if you send an email to the programmer that you want to do some customization, they might be able to guide you on how to do that. But right now I'm quite pleased with the look and feel of this website. So the next thing I want to do is to configure the featured. Remember when I was downloading it, I really like it because it has the featured section where I can actually feature one post at the top, so that it doesn't leave that place. No matter how many posts I write, the feature is always there. So I'm gonna configure that in the next video, and I'll see you then.